Buying a used Mercedes sedan can either be a smart financial decision or a very expensive mistake. Once the warranty is gone, the difference between the right Mercedes and the wrong one can mean thousands in unexpected repairs. Some models were built with durable engines and proven transmissions that hold up well over time. Others may look like great deals today, but quietly turn into money pits after 80,000 or 100,000 miles. In this video, we're going through 5 used Mercedes sedans that are surprisingly safe financial decisions. Not just the obvious models everyone always mentions, but specific generations that have shown solid reliability even after the warranty ends. We'll break down the engines, transmissions, common problems, and what you should check before buying. And as always, we'll also reveal a few Mercedes sedans at the end that may look tempting on the used market, but are far riskier financially. So let's start with the first Mercedes on this list. The first car on this list is the 2012 to 2014 Mercedes-Benz C350. From the later years of the W204 generation, under the hood it uses the 3.5-liter M276 V6, producing 302 horsepower, paired with the 7-speed 7G-tronic automatic transmission. By 2012, most of the early production issues of the W204 had already been resolved, which makes these final years noticeably more reliable than earlier versions. The naturally aspirated M276 engine is also simpler than many newer Mercedes powertrains because it avoids turbochargers, which reduces long-term complexity and potential repair costs once the car passes 80,000 or 100,000 miles. Another advantage is that the W204 platform was produced in large numbers, so parts availability is strong and most independent European mechanics are very familiar with the car, which helps keep maintenance more predictable compared to many newer luxury sedans. There are still a few things to check before buying. Some early M276 engines had occasional camshaft adjuster issues, so service history and regular oil changes are extremely important. It's also worth inspecting engine mounts, suspension bushings, and the electronic steering lock, which can fail on higher mileage cars. The good news is that these problems are generally manageable when addressed early. Find a well-maintained 2012 to 2014 C350 with documented maintenance, and this can be one of the more financially sensible Mercedes sedans you can buy used today. The second car on this list is the 2015 to 2018 Mercedes-Benz CLS 350 from the C218 generation. Under the hood, this sedan uses the 3.5-liter M276 V6, producing about 302 horsepower, paired with the 7-speed 7G-tronic Plus automatic transmission. While the CLS is often seen as a stylish luxury coupe sedan, the later years of the C218 generation are mechanically very similar to the W212 E-Class, which is important from a reliability perspective. By 2015, Mercedes had already refined the M276 engine and resolved many of the early production issues that appeared when this engine first launched. The result is a naturally aspirated V6 that is generally considered durable, relatively simple for a modern Mercedes engine, and capable of running well past 150,000 miles with proper maintenance. Another advantage is that the 7G-tronic Plus transmission had already proven itself over many years across multiple Mercedes models, which reduces the risk of major drivetrain surprises compared with some newer gearboxes. However, buyers should still pay attention to a few known areas. The front suspension components, especially control arm bushings, can wear out with higher mileage. Some cars may also develop oil leaks from the oil cooler seals or valve covers, which are common service items on many V6 Mercedes engines. Before buying, it's important to check for smooth transmission shifts, oil seepage around the engine, and full maintenance records, particularly regular oil changes. When properly maintained, the 2015-2018 CLS 350 can offer the feel of a high-end Mercedes sedan while still using proven mechanical components that keep long-term ownership risk relatively manageable. The third car on this list is the 2017 to 2018 Mercedes-Benz E400 from the early years of the W203 generation. Under the hood, this sedan uses the 3.0-liter twin-turbo M276 V6, producing 329 horsepower and 354 lb-ft of torque, paired with the 9-speed 9G-tronic automatic transmission. This combination is important because the M276 had already been in production for several years before the W200 arrived, which means many of the early engineering issues had already been addressed. Compared with many newer Mercedes engines, the M276 twin-turbo setup has developed a fairly solid long-term reliability reputation when properly maintained, especially with consistent oil changes and good cooling system maintenance. The 9G-tronic transmission is also one of Mercedes' more durable modern gearboxes when serviced correctly, and it's widely used across the brand's lineup, which helps with long-term parts availability and mechanic familiarity. That said, there are still a few things buyers should inspect carefully. Some owners have reported coolant leaks from plastic fittings and hoses, and like many turbocharged engines, oil change intervals are critical to avoid long-term turbo wear. It's also worth checking the electronic systems and driver assistance features, since the W213 introduced a much more complex electrical architecture compared to the previous generation. None of these are unusual issues for a modern luxury sedan, but they reinforce an important rule: service history matters. Find a well-maintained 2017 or 2018 E400 with documented maintenance, and it can be one of the more balanced modern Mercedes sedans in terms of comfort, technology, and manageable long-term ownership risk. The fourth car on this list is the 2013 to 2016 Mercedes-Benz E300, from the facelifted years of the W212 generation. Under the hood, this sedan uses the 2.1-liter OM651 turbo diesel four-cylinder, producing around 195 horsepower and 369 litre-feet of torque, paired with the 7-speed 7G-tronic automatic transmission. While diesel Mercedes sedans don't always get as much attention in the used market, the OM651 engine developed a reputation for being durable and extremely efficient when maintained properly. This engine was widely used across the Mercedes lineup and in commercial applications, which usually indicates a design focused more on longevity than performance. Another advantage is that the W212 platform had already matured by these years, meaning many early production issues were already resolved. That translates into a sedan that often reaches very high mileage with relatively predictable maintenance, especially compared with newer luxury cars that rely heavily on complex hybrid systems or small turbocharged engines pushed to their limits. There are still a few known areas to inspect. Some OM651 engines can develop fuel injector seal leaks, sometimes called Black Death, if maintenance is neglected. Buyers should also check the diesel particulate filter condition and fuel system service history, especially on higher mileage cars. None of these are unusual for a modern diesel, but they reinforce the importance of proper maintenance records. Find a well-maintained 2013-2016 E300 diesel with consistent service history, and it can be one of the most financially sensible long-distance Mercedes sedans available in the used market today. The final car on this list is the 2018 to 2020 Mercedes-Benz S450, from the facelifted years of the W22 generation. Under the hood, this sedan uses the 3.0-liter twin-turbo M276 V6, producing 362 horsepower and about 369 litre-footed of torque, paired with the 9-speed 9G-tronic automatic transmission. On paper, buying a used S-Class might sound risky financially, but the later W22 models are very different from the early production years. By 2018, Mercedes had already refined much of the platform's electronics and drivetrain components, and the M276 twin-turbo V6 had already been used across multiple Mercedes models, which helped establish a solid reliability track record. Another important point is that the S450 uses steel coil suspension in many markets instead of the more complex hydraulic systems found in some higher-end variants, which can significantly reduce long-term repair risk compared to certain earlier S-Class setups. The 9G-tronic transmission also has a good reliability reputation when serviced correctly and is widely used throughout the Mercedes lineup. Still, buyers should approach any used S-Class carefully. It's important to inspect the air suspension components if equipped, the electronic driver assistance systems, and the condition of the cooling system, since repairs on luxury flagships can still be expensive if maintenance was neglected. Service history is critical here. A well-maintained 2018-2020 S450 with documented maintenance can offer the comfort and engineering of a flagship Mercedes sedan while still using relatively proven mechanical components, making it one of the more reasonable ways to own a used S-Class without taking on excessive financial risk. The key lesson here is simple. Not every used Mercedes sedan is a financial gamble. The difference comes down to choosing the right generation, the right engine, and a car with proper maintenance history. Models with proven engines, widely used transmissions, and mature platforms tend to age much better once the warranty is gone. But even the most reliable Mercedes can become expensive if previous owners skipped maintenance, so service records and a proper pre-purchase inspection are always essential. And just as important as knowing what to buy is knowing what to avoid. Some Mercedes sedans on the used market may look like incredible deals today, but they often hide high long-term repair risks that many buyers don't realize until it's too late. If you're considering buying one of these cars, make sure you focus on condition, maintenance history, and mileage, not just the badge or the price. And now I'm curious about your experience. What used Mercedes sedan are you considering buying? Drop a comment below with the model, engine, and mileage, and let's see if it's a smart financial decision.